Your Excellencies, Honorables, because I can know. Okay. Sorry. Anybody can know. Unumana PDP Enugu and Enugu PDP.
Yes, sir.
Please permit me to stand on already established protocol. Please, may I use this opportunity to invite the incoming governor of Enugu State, Dr. Barrister Peter Mba, PDP! The incoming President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and his vice, the leader of our great party, and permit me please, for want of time, to adopt the order of protocols that has been established. Let me welcome you. Take this great pleasure to welcome our incoming president and vice presidential candidates and the leadership of our party to Enugu, the home of Ndi Igbos. I want to inform you that since the inception of the current democratic dispensation, Enugu State has remained the greatest home of PDP. PDP Enugu yesterday, PDP Enugu today,
yes, sir.
PDP by the grace of God Enugu tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
We have always carried PDP as a banner with so much great pride. We have molded PDP as this democratic family. And I want to assure you that PDP is Enugu and Enugu is PDP.
Yes, sir.
In a few days' time, we are going to have elections. And as our governor, our beloved and adorable governor would always tell us, when the polling units are won, what do? We've won the wards. When we win the wards, the local government is won. When the local governments are won, then of course the states are also won. Now, our job is to make sure that we go all the nooks and crannies of our communities and urge our people to come out and speak in one resounding voice at the elections and elect all our candidates from top to bottom. All our candidates, we're not going to see any candidate's name, but what we're going to see is the symbol of our great party. Let's ensure that we vote all our candidates in the forthcoming elections. Thank you very much.
I would like you to speak about this country.
Well, this is an important statement from Enugu State. Enugu is the regional capital of the Igbo land. And what we are seeing today is the fact that Enugu remains the home for Igbo people and also a welcoming point for all Nigerians. So we believe that what is happening today is that we are welcoming Atiku Abubakar to Enugu. We are saying to him, you are welcome to Igbo land. We are PDP supporters. You have friends in Igbo land. You have friends in Enugu state. You have friends in all of our Igbo land. And we are saying, welcome to Igbo land. And welcome, not only just welcome, but that you have your supporters here and will remain committed to the agenda of electing a PDP president come February 25th, 2023.
PDP divided here.
No, it is one party here. It is one party and it will remain one party. And you will see that on the 25th because the people of Enugu will speak with one voice in support of the PDP. What I want to tell the Igbos is that we are a Republican people. We are dynamic people. We are people that have pride in our republicanism. So we are all going to come out and vote for the party that has been our party, which is the PDP. And we believe that our effort to the PDP will continue to yield dividends from the Igbo.
We thank you so much. Please clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. I also want to bring to our consciousness, while I apologize to our national chairman that I'm keeping him standing, that PDP is the best that Enugu and the Southeast have enjoyed. Under the PDP government in the past, we produced the former Senate president from Enugu State, Senator Ken Inamani. Under PDP, we produced Ike Ekweremadu as Deputy Senate President for 12 years. Under PDP, we produced Prince Inaji Gilbert as Deputy House Leader. Under PDP, we produced Fidelia Njeze as Minister of Aviation. Under PDP, from Enugu State, we produced Professor Bat Inaji as Minister of Power. Under PDP, we produced Professor Nebo as Minister of Power. Under PDP, we produced Ferdinand Agu as Director General of NIMASA. Under PDP, we produced Frank Nweke as Minister of Information. Enugu, una enjoy PDP, abi una no enjoy am. Una enjoy PDP, abi una no enjoy am. Since PDP left power, have you produced anybody again in Nigeria? Have you produced anybody in Nigeria again? So all Enugu State can do to PDP is Chineke ma ekele, Chineke ma. Chineke ma, Chineke ma. Ladies and gentlemen, will you jam your hands together as I introduce to the microphone the irremovable national chairman of our party, former president of the Senate, former minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Dr. Iyota Ayu.
The good people of Enugu State, as everybody has said, Enugu is PDP, and PDP is Enugu State. Since we formed the party in 1998, Enugu has always voted PDP. PDP is in your DNA. And I believe in 2023, you are still going to vote PDP from top to bottom, from bottom to top, starting with the election that is coming up in the next 11 days, President Atiku Abubakar will emerge as your president. Is it not so? With Ifeanyi Chukwu Okowa as his vice presidential candidate. I want to assure you that immediately after that, the governor is going to be Mr. Peter Mba. Who will continue the legacy of the PDP in Enugu State. And I believe the development strides that we achieved under the PDP nationally and Enugu will continue. I don't have more to come here and campaign to you because it's like talking to the already converted. You are all believers in PDP. Those who are coming to deceive you to vote for the other parties, called Labour Party, they are deceiving you because a vote for Labour Party is a vote for APC. And I can tell you that voting for APC will not solve the problem of Nigeria. Vote for PDP and let's continue all that we have been doing in Enugu under PDP so that Peter Mba will develop and work hand in hand with Atiku Abubakar. And it's on that note that I'm happy today to invite our governor, Mr. Peter Mba, to come forward and collect this important flag of the PDP with his deputy and go around and conquer. Thank you and God bless you all.
Enugu State gachawa kwe. Peter Mba durani kaije.
Thank you. Thank you.
Peter Mba bonye durana Enugu.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going now to the most important aspect of this program. Before we invite the next president of the Federal Republic to speak, I want to bring to our attention that the highest political office holder today of the PDP extraction in the Southeast is here, and I want him to wave you, and that is the minority whip of the Senate, my brother, my colleague, distinguished Senator Utazi. Thank you very much. Because of time, and protocol.
PDP Ndebanye Onuma na ndema ihe si na ọwụwa anyanwụ wee bịa maka na ịbụ ndị amamihe na election nke a ga-eme on 25th anyị gosi na ndị amamihe maka na onye na-azọ president anyị kpọpụtara ebe a bụ ezigboto enyi ndị Igbo na ọ dị ka ọ dị taa bụ na o nyere aka mee maka ndị a chọrọ ka anyị gaa n'iru ka ha were ọrụ kokeke anyị n'aka afa n'ọsa dị Nigeria ọnyanwa kwụsịrị ya o wee dị ka o si ede anyị ga-eji uche wee kụọ ọkpa ka ọkpa were uche wee pụọ anyị ga-atụrụ ya vote tụọrụ gọvanọ anyị tụọrụ ndị pati anyị niile na vote ka anyị wee gaa n'iru maka anyị tụọ a ọ ga-adịla anyị na mma n'afọ Jizọs.
Thank you very much, Senator Chukwuka Utazi. Without wasting much of our time, we are going to invite the next president to speak, but I want to prophesy that soon and very soon, We are going to the villa soon and very soon. We are going to the villa, hallelujah, soon and very soon. We are going to the villa, hallelujah, alhamdulillah. We are going to the villa. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to hear the voice of Atiku, raise up your hand.
Yes, sir.
If you want to hear the voice of Atiku, shout the Lord is good. Thank you. Thank you. Carry me they go. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have the pleasure to invite the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria by the grace of God, the man who is a friend to the Southeast, who is a friend to Enugu State, who is a friend to every Igbo man, who is a friend to every poor man, every rich man, every bureaucrat, unemployed, the youth. His name is Atiku.
Atiku Atiku for president. Atiku the unifier. One nation, one Nigeria. Atiku Atiku for president. Atiku the unifier. One nation, one Nigeria. Atiku Atiku for president.
Thank you. PDP. Enugu people, I don't hear you. PDP.
Power.
PDP.